Alright, another quick little update. The bilge pump works fine. That's this right here. But the float switch sticks. And it's recommended that I need to replace that. So today, I spent $366.35 on F4 tape, one-way check valve, hose clamps, float switch, and replacement bilge pump when the one that I have goes out. I would hate to sink because I have a bad bilge pump. And I'm not going to do a video of me replacing it because I'm going to be playing my music off of my computer. Haven't done that in quite some time now. So anyhow, talk to you guys later.